Well, good morning from central Montana. I'm Rick. You're watching Gonagain. This video is just a brief one to give you an update on what we're doing, what we're up to. You know, we had to cancel our trip down into Nevada for various reasons, but everything seems to be pretty much fine now. Got a couple of hurdles got to go over here, kind of health stuff, you know, but it's going to be all right. The only thing I can do is share with you what I'm doing to stay busy in the meantime. We will be leaving for Arizona right after Christmas. Kind of start traveling, get back on the road again. We love making road trips so much. We've got another road trip to Florida coming up pretty soon. And I intend to enjoy that all along the way. So there's things going to happen on the channel. In the meantime, I'm staying busy doing projects. I used to heat this garage with a pellet stove. And it would take about an hour and a half to heat up warm enough in here to where you could come out here and work. That electric heater warms this place up in about 10 minutes. Love it. I put that in a couple years ago. That at least has made it so that I can come out here in the garage during the winter time and, you know, play around doing projects. And today's project is replacing the fuel filter in the Harley here. Bought this Harley a few months ago, and Linda and I drove down to Billings, 220 miles away, and I bought it down there. And when I opened up the gas tank, when I was in the pre-buy inspection, it stunk of just old waxed gas. And I was so afraid that on the ride home, my injectors were going to plug up and leave me stranded out in the middle of nowhere, Montana. Hey, right now is a good time for me to show you guys some video clips from a ride that we did just a couple of weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, with my friend Nate. And Linda and I, we rode up into the Little Belt Mountains and just had a wonderful time. And I've been wanting to share those clips, and this is a good opportunity to do it. Now, Nate was, when I was flying, Nate was the head of maintenance for aircraft maintenance, so my very life depended on Nate. Great mechanic, great guy. Well, that sure is a pretty bike.
Yes, I hope it stays that way.
Yeah. Wow. Morning, Nate.
How's it going, Rick?
Going good. Yeah, that looks good. Wow.
Couple bugs on it. Couple dents and dings.
You guys about ready to ride?
Always ready to ride.
Yeah, I know.
Well, let me put my helmet on. We'll get going.
Yeah.
Okay. thought you might like to stop here, just in case. How's your bike?
Good.
Excellent.
Thanks.
Very cool, Linda. How's your ride back there?
Okay.
Good. Thought we double checked everything. Pick up brake. Okay? Hey.
Spot. Doors are open. Come on, go ahead.
I'll let you off and then I'll park it. Hopefully they're serving food, yeah?
It's at 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Should be good.
Yeah. Well, we've been having fun today, as you've been seeing. I haven't talked any on this video, but we're just in the little town of Monarch. It's up in the Little Belt Mountains. We've had a beautiful ride. Anyways, we're just going to go in and get a bite to eat, and I think we're going to continue up into the mountains after this. We'll see. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
There you go, Linda. Grab me.
Okay. I guess I was way down under here.
What's that?
I was under here. That's why
Oh.
I couldn't get up.
Break time. How are you doing?
This isn't very clearly marked.
No, not at
I
all.
saw the shacks. I'm like, uh-oh.
Yeah, and I didn't know it was coming either, but I know it's around that bridge, but I didn't see the bridge. Whew. Dang. I need to drink some water, man. I'm Charlie horsing. My thighs are Charlie horsing, and no, my back is Charlie horsing, and my hands are Charlie horsing.
Party Charlie.
I don't know the name of Charlie horse, but they were pretty sick for doing that.
Oh, yeah.
The name was Charlie Badger or something.
I had a cousin who used to call horse.
Yeah, it was a little chilly coming down out of there.
Yeah, well.
Let's see, I think I better have some of your ibuprofen.
Okay, let's just in that back.
Well, what was causing me so much pain was those wide beach bars that this bike came with. As soon as I got back from that trip, I ordered these 12-inch high-rise handlebars. These are Burley ape hangers. What a nice riding stance these have. I could sit more upright. My arms aren't spread out so far. Big difference. I also added these muffs on here, these handlebar muffs. And These make a big difference. They block the wind. These are all right. I'll put a link to these in the description down below. They fit this Road King really well. It's our plan, you know, the motorcycle, the truck, the trailer, it's all about getting out and making road trips and just enjoying the United States. And there's so many things to see and so much rich history. We just love it. At the same time, the motorcycle is just providing another way of doing that. We intend to do some motorcycle camping. My plan is to go to Sturgis this year and to camp along the way. We'll see how that goes. Linda and I gave up camping in tents a long time ago because it's so uncomfortable. Even with an air mattress, to sleep on the undulating ground can be, I think about one night out of 3 you sleep well. But I think we're going to do it this year and go to Sturgis. I'll buy some new air mattresses and we'll just rough it a little bit just so we can say we went. You know, it's just, I don't know. Didn't even think about it till I stumbled on the Harley, but that'll be fun. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this short update video. If you did, you know what to do. We need you to subscribe. It really helps the algorithm. Comments really help. If you don't mind, a little donation through PayPal or especially Patreon, where you donate a few dollars every month. That really helps this channel. We'll see you around.